If you think AI is only for programmers, you are making a huge mistake. The finance world has officially hit its, quote, coding moment. On May 5, 2026, Jamie Dimon of JPMorgan and the founders of Anthropic stood together to announce something that will shake the industry. We saw it happen in coding. Hiring slowed down and AI-native talent became the priority. Now Anthropic is openly saying, coding has changed forever. Finance is next. The announcement was the launch of 10 ready-to-run finance AI agents designed to automate core financial tasks. When this was announced, stocks of giants like Thomson Reuters, TCS, and Infosys took a hit. Why? Because the middle layer of finance, people who collect, summarize, and report data, is about to be automated. Why is AI attacking finance now? Because in this industry, everything is data. Money is data, risk is data, and compliance is data. Anthropic's roadmap shows AI moving from a senior analyst today to a CFO level in the near future, because the entire industry runs on structured data. Think about it. A junior analyst earns rupee 8 to 15 lakhs a year and isn't 100% accurate. A Claude API costs around 20,000 rupees a year and works 24/7. This isn't just a tool, it's a direct attack on the multi-trillion-dollar business of financial knowledge. AI can now extract and summarize data for a fraction of the cost of firms like Bloomberg and S&P Global. Let's look at the 5 jobs most exposed in the Indian market right now, thanks to these new AI agents. First, KYC and compliance. Every bank has a massive department for Know Your Customer checks. AI is now compressing hours of manual investigation into minutes. Next, equity research. A human analyst tracks maybe 15 stocks. AI can monitor thousands in real time. If your job is just collecting data and writing summaries, your value is collapsing. In investment banking, junior analysts spend 80 hours building pitchbooks. AI can now do that entire grunt work in just 45 minutes. Fourth, the CA factor. This hits India's 3.8 lakh chartered accountants. AI can handle general ledger reconciliation and audit prep. A CA still signs, but AI prepares the papers. Finally, month-end closures. Anthropic's agent automates the closing checklist and flags discrepancies, putting serious pressure on the $5 billion Indian BPO industry. Now, don't get scared. Get excited. This transition is a massive opportunity, especially for small teams who can leverage this technology. Imagine a 5-person CA firm. Previously, you handled 50 clients. With these agents, that same team can handle 500 clients. You are building an AI army that makes you 10x more productive. As Anthropic accurately states, AI will calculate, compile, and summarize the data, but humans must be the ones to make the final decisions and apply judgment. This shift demands immediate change. Let's look at a critical warning and a clear action plan for your career. Human oversight is not a luxury. It's mandatory. You cannot just set and forget. Always verify the AI's output before acting on it. My advice: if you're a student, learn AI workflows. If you're an analyst, challenge the AI's assumptions. If you're in BPO, start automating processes. The future of finance belongs to the people who verify and judge what the AI produces. Comment agent below if you want to know how to implement these tools. Subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.